Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. We are camping in Old Forge, New York. About 7:30 in the morning or so. I got a little fire going, but taking a look at my Beaver Craft spoon carving kit. Decided to bring this with me. Thought it'd be fun to do something in the morning, you know, do a nice little carve. I've got a blank cut out of cherry, and I've got a rough spoon cut out of maple. I think I'm going to work on this maple one. I don't have a ton of time because we're going to go to the water park in a little while, and I got to cook breakfast over that fire. So we're going to see if we can do a little work and do some carving on this spoon. If this is your guys' first time being on the channel or checking out a video, be sure to hit subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and yeah, let's start making some sawdust. I've been talking and working on this spoon, and then I just realized I never hit record. So I just got done using the, I don't know, the spoon knife or spoon gouge. I was cleaning up the inside here. What I said was, if you guys have any techniques, you know, things that can help out, because I don't do a lot of these. If you're a spoon carver and maybe you have a channel you'd like to share, feel free to do that. You know, I'll check it out. I'm always open to tips, especially with new things. Now this is the spoon carving kit, make your own spoon from Beaver Craft, but this is a piece of maple. I cut it out on the bandsaw, it's really rough. I did use a saber-tooth burr to gouge out a lot of this and round this over. I know it's cheating, some people will be upset about it probably, but it's just what I did. That was something I had done before getting the knives, but you know, now that I've got the set of knives and we go camping, once in a while I thought it'd be good to kind of bring them along and I could still work on some small projects. This is by far a tutorial. This is all new for me. No clue what I'm doing. Basically just sitting out here and carving with some knives, basically whittling a stick. If you guys are able to get anything out of this video, hopefully it's a cup of coffee to sit out on the porch and just kind of ease into the morning. That's kind of what I'm thinking with a video like this, because that's what I'm doing. Hopefully you guys can hear the birds in the background. guys, here it is. That's going to be it for today. We leave tomorrow, but if I have time, maybe we'll do a part 2 and I'll do a little more carving on this. I want to thank you guys for joining me. I don't do a lot of spoons, so give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe, leave me a comment, let me know what you guys think so far. I did sand it just a little bit, but I would like to get in here and thin this out and kind of do something else with this handle. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Thanks. Bye.